So yeah. All right, let's go. Where are we gonna go?
Mine. Yeah.
We're gonna go mine.
Yeah.
Okay. Dang, you're so fast. Hold up, I got this. I'm trying to save up for lightite pickaxe. I just
For
need
what pickaxe?
for lightite pickaxe. I need 6K more.
I'm broke.
My only hope is to destroy stuff.
My whole all I just want is iron.
Real.
You said get 10 iron?
Yeah, get 10. No, get 9.
9. Alright.
Yeah, 9 for gauntlets.
Are you good?
Yeah, really depends. If you get the best ones, the claw ones, those are the best ones.
What are
The claw ones are the like rarest variant to get. Oh, slime. Yes, perfect. I died.
Yeah, bro, got cut.
I got absolutely full package. Alright, guys. So in today's video, we're going to do a various amount of goals. So what's your goal today, Iman?
Just to get good. Yo, I was watching this video, right? And then I saw like the special starter, whatever. Best starter, armor. I'm gonna search that up.
Okay. My goal today is just to get the lightite pickaxe.
Okay.
Yeah?
You have to get it to Chris whenever you see him.
So basically, let's get killing stuff, because that's the only way I could get money right now. Ow! Stop! Hold up! I got this! Woo. Oh, you suck. Ooh, you suck. Ooh. I'm too good. Hold up. Let me cook now. Alright, I just need 6K more because I'm gonna use my goblin. Oh yeah, if I didn't say it already. Merry Christmas! I got this! Oh, I died.
Alright. 7 lapis lazuli.
Alright, so I need a whole bunch of slime.
Wait, when do we end the video?
I don't know. Whenever you want to.
Let's end it in 4 minutes.
4 minutes? Okay. Hold up, guys. I got this. Never mind.
7 lapis lazuli.
6% complete. So yeah. Bro, I have a whole...
Alright. Can I use iron for armor?
No, use it for weapons. It's like the best thing ever. My gloves are made out of my iron. And that was like the best thing I've ever done. So yeah, guys, if you haven't already, like and subscribe if you're enjoying the video. So yeah, guys, we're going to be playing, and honestly, I just need 4K more. We're end the video at like 3 o'clock.
So in 5 minutes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, I'm not gonna do the steal a burnout event. So if y'all think I'm brain rotted, this is the alarm was just for my cousin, but he's not here right now. So yeah. Boom, boom, boom. I need a whole bunch of stuff. Fire! Oh, fire! Alright, guys. So, honestly, I'll just ignore the background noise. It's just my relatives. Since I don't have like those fancy rooms, I gotta ignore it, please. Iman,
Yes.
where are you?
Morning.
Where?
I'm not in the place, but I'm at the place where you go in the volcanic place.
Alright, guys. I need to kill a few more things to get. I just need a. Oh yeah, Iman, the best way to get money in this game is to sell the essence. Like, you know how you get medium essence and stuff?
Oh yeah.
That's like the best thing that can help you get money.
Okay.
And if you're trying to get a better pickaxe, you almost have enough, just sell the pickaxe that you already have. Fire! 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 Yeah!
What happened?
I almost died. Fire! Fire! Oh, I died.
Yeah, bro, got cooked.
I got fully packaged, my brother.
Ooh, ankles.
Who's your juke?
Ankles. I just juked a axe skeleton.
I just need 2K. I just need 2K more. 2,100. 2.1K.
You want me to do your nails?
Bah, bah, bah. Hold up, I'm gonna hit the craziest black flash ever.
This?
Black flash! Oh,
Sophie, she wants your nails.
black flash! Bruh. Black flash! Bruh. Black flash! Bruh. 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 Black Flash. Bruh. Black Flash. Black Flash. Bruh. I mean, once I hit 2 Black Flashes in a row,
Yo.
the Black Flashes are like, so I have this little thing for my gloves that like makes it explode, and I call the explosions Black Flashes. Black Flash.
Alright, guys. I think we're gonna end the video here.
All right, go to the forge area. All right, guys.
Okay, guys.
Yo, Iman, where are you?
I'm going. Pause.
While I'm waiting, I'll just be here.
Okay. Guys. Okay, guys. So, yeah.
Thank
See you.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Alright, now.